Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. And that is kind of our key word here. Because as a rule, to add and subtract fractions, the denominators, or the bottom half of the fraction, must be exactly the same. Now, if you're facing a problem where those aren't the same, we're going to talk about that in a separate video. It's going to be titled Adding and Subtracting Fractions with Unlike Denominators. But once you get it to the point where you're ready to go ahead and add them with that same denominator, that's what we're going to be talking about here. So let's say we have a fraction like 3 over 5, and we have another fraction, maybe an improper fraction, like 11 over 5. To add these fractions is pretty simple. When adding or subtracting fractions, the denominator never changes. So I'm going to go ahead and just write that in my answer right off the bat, because I know the denominator in my answer is still going to be 5. The question is, what's the numerator going to be? Well, it's probably a lot simpler than you think. I just add my numerators. 3 plus 11, 14. And I'm done. Simple as that. Subtracting actually works the exact same way. Let's say we have 5 over 7 minus 15 over 7. I want to subtract these fractions. Now again, they have like denominators. They have the same denominator, so I'm ready to go. I'm ready to start that. I know that anytime I add or subtract fractions, my denominator is going to stay the same. So I can go ahead and write that 7. Already good there. But I'm going to go ahead and subtract my numerators, or subtract the top halves of the fraction. 5 minus 15 sounds like negative 10 to me. So I'm going to have negative 10 over 7. That's my new fraction. That's really all there is to it. You keep the denominator the same, and you add or subtract the numerator based on whatever sign is in between them. If you have any questions about that, feel free to drop them below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.